A few days ago, my friend challenged me to beat Tadej Pogačar's time on Lubnik. Regarding that, do you know that Tadej Pogačar doesn't have a record on Lubnik anymore?
What?
Yes, his record was beaten by Jaka.
You?
No, not me, of course not me. Jaka Primožič.
So you could beat it too, you know?
Because I'm Jaka.
Because you're Jaka, yeah, correct.
I don't think so. I think I will lost a lot of minutes to Tadej and Jaka.
I disagree. I want to see you beat him. So I challenge you to do it. Can you do it? And now we're here, which means?
That I accepted the challenge.
But there is a twist.
What twist?
I didn't tell you about it before, and I'm gonna tell you on the bottom of Lubnik. Now it's time to start the ride.
Okay.
Let's go.
Now you see me riding flat until the bottom of Lubnik, and now I'm riding at around 30 kilometers per hour, which is funny because Jaka Primožič did the whole climb with that speed.
So now we arrived to the bottom of Lubnik, and you will have to achieve two things. One of them is, which we already announced, and that is you're gonna try to beat Pogačar to the top of the Lubnik.
This is close to impossible, but I will try.
Which is why that is not as important. The real challenge is for you to try to do it all the time standing up.
So out of the saddle?
Out of the saddle.
Oh my god.
That's my challenge to you. Can you do it?
I think... I believe I can.
So I think we shall just start. You shall go out of the saddle. I'll go into the car and we'll explain some of the data about Lubnik later on the ride.
Okay.
That's fine?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And off we go into Noe's challenge of trying Lubnik standing up and trying to beat Pogačar's times while doing it.
So the climb Lubnik is located in a beautiful part of Slovenia, in northwest of Slovenia, in the region of Gorenjska.
The first few meters are the steepest, which means the easiest part for driving out of the saddle.
It starts a few kilometers from the city called Škofja Loka, which is a city for Slovenia, but maybe for a different country it would be a village.
At this point we are over halfway now, and the legs are burning, but at least we have some wonderful weather today.
The climb is long, a bit less than 7 kilometers, with elevation difference of 378 meters, which is with a gradient of 5.6%.
The finish line is in sight. We just have the last meters, the final meters, where you dig deep and you really push to complete the challenge. As this Strava segment ends, the ride is done. We are at the top now, so did you manage to beat his time?
I think I did pretty well, but Pogačar's time is
Slightly off yours, right?
slightly, like 5 minutes even more, so I don't think I beat him, but I did a pretty good job, so I'm happy because I managed to do the whole climb out of the saddle. I went around 22 minutes, so it is
A good
far
time,
behind Tadej Pogačar,
a good time, but still far
but
behind
still,
him.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you can like it. There's a lot more content like this coming, so you can subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next episode of Tuesday's Talk, which is going to be in Slovenian, so for all the Slovenians out there.
Yeah.
See you then.